because now I work all day yesterday and then today, though I was good, helped a little bit. Chips for tomorrow. Stuff out too soon before it's dry. I put it on seriously. So nothing new there. No change there, just why I start. Ugh. Completely forgot I had a video I didn't upload because I got so fixated on the other video I did last. Ended up one was 29 minutes, the other one was 6.5. Oops, oh well. Could have uploaded something a couple days ago. I remember. Oh well. Not a big deal. Hopefully I feel better tomorrow morning, because now I work Monday, Tuesday, and Friday morning starting tomorrow. But today and yesterday, much congestion and sleepiness. Kind of napped all day yesterday and then today, though I was congested yesterday, today was a little bit worse. Excuse me. All day probably. Stayed in bed pretty much all day. Allergy medicine did nothing that I noticed, or maybe it just helped a little bit. Which is annoying because it's usually very helpful. Compared to other stuff. I had to get out because I was gonna stir crazy, so I went and got some chips, fries, and oatmeal. My left eye has been bugging me all day since I woke up. Why? Who knows? Hoping it goes away. For tomorrow. So one of my coworkers just not cared. One of the chefs said to not take the stuff out too soon before it's dry. I put it away. So it's the floor all wet. And the kitchen dish area. Like 3 to 5 minutes later, turn over while I'm taking out the trash. This whole little platter goes to the ground, dripping water. Like seriously. Make my eyes worse, it's like 40 or 50, so you should know better. Whether it's mentioned or not. I think I annoy all other dishwashers through the fact that I would wait till stuff dries out, whether I'm back there alone or putting stuff away so they have more room for other stuff. I always just let it stack up a little so that it's dry, or almost dry if there is any rut. Unless I get in trouble. But no one listens. I pretty much everyone does it. I try not to. Probably guilty of it a few times. But it's not my normal procedure. Try my best to let whatever air dry, then I deal with it. But once it's been there a while. Still closing on Saturday and Sunday, which is fine. Started at 2 Saturday to 8, and then Sunday's the same. 11:30 to 8. Wish I was warned something similar might happen. So nothing new there. Since I was expecting it. Well, I'd asked if I could be open working mornings at least a few days a week, depending on how they could rearrange the schedule to make a new schedule with a couple of us. Having our hours swapped around, same days so far, still off Wednesday, Thursday, so no change there, just when I start and get off. Alright, sorry for lack of uploads. Could've, like I said, could've had that one done a couple days ago if I remembered it, but being more tired, feeling crummy, doesn't help. Worked last Wednesday, which was fine, but last Tuesday ended up being busier than normal, so it threw me off every day. When Friday to Tuesday of this week, because Tuesday ended up being busier because lack of communication on a few people's parts but my own. Of course, the only communicator in the situation, and it was annoying. Got through it, but could have been avoided if the 3 people I told actually did what I asked them to. But oh well, it happens. Alright, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.